Rapid urbanization has led to environmental problems in several countries. In Brazil, urban areas have increased by more than 2 million hectares since 1985. There, most of the population lives in cities where ecosystems benefit from urban rivers have been historically pressured by human activities. Climate regulation, habitat provision, aesthetics and cultural values, even water quality and water supply are examples. With this in mind, our study aims to examine urban growth in buffer zones of 30 meters on either side of Brazilian rivers and watercourses. These areas are protected by law through the Brazilian Forest Code, which recognizes them as areas of permanent protection. Although this is the rule, it should be mentioned that there are several cases in which the use of these areas does not constitute illegality and meets locally defined criteria or were occupied in accordance with the defined parameters established by law. From urban areas classified using Landsat images by Map Biomas initiatives from 1985 to 2020 and the geographic layers of OpenStreetMap, we have estimated the urbanized areas sprawl across the mentioned buffers. This was the first step to represent the increased pressure on urban rivers over time, showing that almost 56,000 hectares of riverbanks became part of the urban context since 1985. The total urbanized areas within the buffer was estimated as 115,000 hectares. The second step was considered just the year of 2020 as a reference to show the effective urban occupation around urban rivers, using a mask of NDVI and MEN-DWI from Sentinel-2 images. We conclude that more than 71,000 hectares were effectively occupied by urban areas. Considering our results, urban planners and decision makers could benefit from this information, as they now have a dimension to compare the environmental quality around rivers and prepare appropriate actions. Moreover, this quantification inspires a sense of urgency in setting an environmental restoration agenda focused on urban water and rivers in most cities in Brazil. The academy, society, and non-governmental organizations can now demand actions from local governments in terms of urban sustainability. Thank you.